Before appearing for examination, you must watch this video, and this is on how to attempt English language paper. Many of you are commenting about English literature paper and its answer booklet. As soon as I get the question paper, I'll be uploading a video on the answers of English literature. And I urge you to focus on English language since your paper is tomorrow, you're not getting any break. Stop thinking about that literature paper. Even if you have done some blunders or mistakes, please concentrate on language part. Since language deters your overall percentage, so you have to give your best, try to score full in tomorrow's paper. Subscribe my channel for further updates, and I'll be uploading MCQs of other subjects. So we'll start with this question number 1. You'll get 2 passage in English language paper. I know you have already solved this sample paper, but I am going to give you some guidelines. Given below are 5 words from the passage along with 4 options for each. Now this time you're getting options. Choose the option which has a similar meaning in the passage. Question 1 is impulse. When you read this passage, you'll come to know that the closest or the nearest meaning is a sudden strong wish. Meaning of impulse may be vibration and also a sudden strong wish. But in this case, when you read the passage, the closest or the nearest meaning is a sudden strong wish. If I talk about the definition of impulse, it means a sudden desire to do something without thinking about the results. Or it may be a force or movement of energy that causes a reaction. But I have ticked this B option just because I find it appropriate when I read the text, when I read the above passage. Coming to second question, I will not be solving all of them. Awareness. When you read the passage, the closest meaning is knowledge. We'll move on to this part. With each of the 5 words given below, choose the correct sentence that uses a word in a different meaning from that to which it carries in the passage. Question 1 is meet. Now there are 4 sentences. You have to choose the correct sentence that uses the word in a different meaning from the passage. I'll just read it. Harry had come to this place to meet someone. It means you are meeting someone, you are encountering each other, or maybe coming together. Now in this case, when you read these sentences, the inter-house athletic meet of XYZ school had to be postponed due to heavy rains. The 2 friends had promised to meet at the same spot 20 years later. Some children find it difficult to meet up to the expectations of their parents. After his rude behavior, it is meet for him to apologize to his father. In the passage, it was written meet, that is meeting someone, to encounter someone, right? Now, in these 3 sentences, I found out that it also means linking. They are linking. They are meeting. Somebody is trying to meet up to the expectation of their parents. That is linkage. But option A, there is no such linkage. So answer will be option A. See, athletic meet doesn't mean that you're linking to someone. It means a sporting activity or a cultural activity. Let's do one more sentence. Gear. Where is this? The arrangement for raising the curtain was a gear designed to turn a rod to wind the metal mesh up onto it like a blind. In this case, gear is a tool. Now, when we read these sentences, the contestants had to gear up for their performances by 6 o'clock in the evening. The trekker carried his camping gear along with other necessary items. The car went out of control and crashed because its gear systems collapsed. The gearbox broke down and the van came to a standstill. Answer will be option A. Why? Because these 3 sentences clearly states that gear is an object. It is a tool. And in the passage also it was a tool. So we have to find out a sentence that has a different meaning from what it carries in the passage. In option A, it means to get ready. There is a performance, so they have to get ready for it. Right? we'll move on to choose the correct option for the questions given below. I think you can do it. It is very simple. You have to read the passage carefully and answer it accordingly. I think it's very simple. Again, you'll get a passage. Transformation of sentences. Now, I have made a video on the rules. You will get all these questions like no sooner, as soon as, hardly, had, when, to, so that, active and passive voice, indirect, direct speech, comparative, superlative, and simple sentences. So just revise it from your 11th book or 12th book. You can also refer to sample papers or guides if you have brought. You can see comparative, right? Simple, and you have to change it into comparative or superlative. Then you will also get some sentences, some negative sentence, which you have to change into simple sentence. Prepositions, for this I would only ask you to practice. I don't find any other option to be proficient in prepositions other than practicing. For phrasal verbs, you can revise tenses, forms of verbs. I have uploaded PDF or form of tenses in my Telegram channel. You can join Telegram channel for sample papers, PDFs, MCQs. Link is in the I button and also in the description box. That's all. I think I have covered everything. I came to know that some students translate English into Hindi and then they fill up the prepositions. Please avoid this. This will not help you out. You have to practice all these questions of grammar. I'll also upload 2 sample papers of ISC English language in the description box. Please solve it. I'll also attach the answer key. Thank you. All the best for tomorrow's exam.